All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to Scrap and Scale Workbench. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment. All right, so here we are, back with the little Red Wagon. In my previous video, I said I wanted to make this into like a rat rod, but the way it's going, I don't really want to do a rat rodish type vehicle. I'm still going to keep the color red, but I think what I'm going to do is find probably a metallic red to paint it. If I can find that color. Those type of colors around here are hard to find. But anyway, here's what I've gotten done on the body so far. For the sides. Turn it around. There's that side. And on the back side, as you can see how I've kind of flared it. Here, let me see if I can move my finger somewhere. Flared it right here. On both sides. The chassis has got progress to it. Got the wheels on, the rear end on, the front end that I made myself, which I would prefer to have front ends already, but I lack that. I don't have any front ends or really any rear ends left at all. I need to find some more stock of that stuff and other stuff, but it's getting harder to find to do this stuff. But anyway, as we put it on here, kind of give you an idea what it's going to look like. Doesn't want to cooperate. All right. So that kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. Now, as far as the inside interior, I will put up a couple pictures of a picture I found online of a red wagon, a real life red wagon that I'm kind of using that as a base so I know what I'm looking at and how I want to do it. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm at so far. It's going to be a pretty short video. I don't know if people are liking my videos. I'm not getting really any comments or likes. So please like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.